crazy.
Bruh.
You look crazy. Look at all those bracelets in your head.
I actually like the lip color.
I hate the lip color. I hate everything. Get that out of my
Excuse me.
You don't look awful.
Excuse me. Of course I wouldn't.
Yeah. That's all.
Intro song, please.
I mean,
Go.
Maybe.
Go.
welcome back. Welcome back.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back to another video. Guess who's back? And my fam. Guess we're back with another video.
Oh. What's up, fam? Yes, we're back with another video.
Someone's hypnotized.
What y'all think about my look? What y'all think about my look? We got some haters over here.
I don't like it.
You don't like my look?
No.
What y'all think? Take a picture.
No.
Really?
What you think? Okay. Okay. And she's doing it or what? And she's doing it or what?
She's
And
not
she's
doing
doing it or what? Look at my hair. Look at my hair. Look at my lashes. I did it myself.
That's a lie.
She did them herself.
Listening. I don't know about you. I'm not listening to the instructions.
Girl, you supposed to follow the lash line. Let me try to do it.
Like, you don't even know.
You don't even know. Look at my nails. Don't look at my nails, but I got one missing. Mind your business. Mind your business. Yes.
Wait.
Yes.
Wait.
Okay, so today we have some. What do we have?
Octopus,
Oh,
shrimp, scallop, carrots,
Crap.
and crab.
and crab meat. So it's kind of like a little stir fry
Wait.
type of thing. All right. So you know, as usual, Lorena's super hungry. So did you say your grace? Say your grace. Say grace.
Thank you for our wishes. We thank you God for everything. Amen.
Amen.
I'm bringing hot sauce.
Oh, get some hot sauce. Get some hot sauce in my bag. Swag. We're about to grub. Of course, it's late again. It's 8 o'clock. We always eating late when we recording videos. So, like Lorraine says, we are eating some pasta, like a stir fry, some shrimp, some octopus, some scallop, and some crab meats. Oops. What's this? Oh,
Octopus.
what's that? I have to stand to character. What's that?
Octopus.
Octopus.
No, you just said that.
I don't even have any vegetables. What's mine? First bite for you. There you go.
It's in there.
Mm.
In there.
No, you have octopus.
Can I help you? So what y'all doing today, guys? Eat your food.
I can't do it.
Eat your food.
I can't do
Eat your
I
food.
can't.
Eat your food.
I can't do it without you smacking.
This is good. try another two. Let me give y'all a bite of this scallop and some crab meat. Okay. Oh.
This is different. Yeah, Bailey's mac. It's not Frank. This is definitely Frank.
This is good.
Yeah, octopus.
This is a Frank. This is a prank. This is a prank.
Yeah, this is so good. If they give me octopus, I'm scared to eat it.
Ma, it's
Is
good.
it? I'm scared.
It's good.
I'm scared. I don't like that. I'm
Where's
scared.
Snappies?
I'm scared.
Okay, just watch me. Is yours smushy? It's good. Okay, you can show them. You can show them.
Show 'em.
These look like little eyes, guys. The text one.
I hardly got any crab meats. Zayna gave me like 2 pieces of crab meat. Y'all like my makeup?
No.
No. What would you do if your mom came out with this extreme look? Would you look at her the way that they looked at me?
Yes.
Or would you root her on and say, yes, mom, yes, that looks absolutely gorgeous. You look beautiful.
Or you would jump out the window.
It wouldn't be such a reaction. You know, what would you do?
Side eye.
What would you do?
Side eye.
If your mom actually walked in the house looking like this, if you're not used to your mom looking like this, okay, there are some women who like this look. But if your mom is more of a kind of a natural girl, or you know something along those lines, how would you feel if she came out with this look?
Bothered.
You'd be bothered?
Mad.
If I was to go outside like
Side
this?
eye. Leave.
You'll leave?
Because I don't like that look.
Why? What's wrong with that?
It's just ugly.
What's so ugly about it?
Everything.
Why you gotta put your hand on me? What's everything? It's your phone. What's everything? Okay, I'm scared to eat this octopus. Okay.
Just eat it.
So, yeah, I'm bothered by these nails. I did my nails.
I did her nails.
She pressed them on.
Yes.
Hopefully you can see that. She attempted to do my eyelashes. I did this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
She did this one. Neither one of them are right. Okay. Neither one of them are right.
But mine is more right than yours.
No, neither one of them are right. Okay. First of all, I don't understand how some women like to wear these long eyelashes. This is so annoying to me. All I see is lashes. Like when I'm looking, all I see is lashes, and it's very annoying to me. What's wrong? Why you giving me the side eye? You bothered by my look?
Yes.
Why? 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 So if I was to go outside tomorrow with this same look,
No.
why? What would you do then?
Not coming.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Because it's not on brand for you.
It's not on brand.
I will feel embarrassed.
I'm scared to eat this octopus.
Just eat
Why?
it. You won't feel sick.
I'm scared.
Shrimp is from the ocean, and the octopus is from the ocean. What's the difference?
Y'all hold me back. Hold me back. Somebody. They don't took her time with the octopus. We recorded. Look, where's my nail, y'all? Where is my nail? I don't know where it is. I don't know where it went. I already took this off. I did this for y'all. All this, I did for y'all. For a good laugh. Y'all, but tell me how you prepared this this octopus that I'm afraid to.
Well, I had to clean it with salt, and then I had to marinate it, and then put it in the freezer overnight. Then defrost it or massage it, tenderize it, boil it, like shock it in cold water, peel off the skin, and then saute it at the end.
It was a pretty long process. It was a long process for her to get the octopus together. You see what's bothering me? What's bothering me is I saw it, right? I saw it. So now I can't unsee that.
Yeah, so did I.
I can't unsee that, right? So now I'm just like, the way it looked before it was cooked. Oh gosh. I don't know.
Well, that octopus was expensive. It is not to be messed over.
But then you can eat it.
Try a little piece.
Y'all, I never said that I wanted to eat octopus. I never said that. She's trying to force me. She's trying to peer pressure me into eating this octopus. Okay, that's what she's trying to do.
I prepared this meal for all of us to eat.
No, I prepared the other stuff. She just made the octopus.
It took the longest. It's good.
It's good. What it tastes like?
The texture was kind of like, I don't know, chicken.
Everything tastes like chicken. Goat tastes like chicken. Octopus tastes like chicken. What else tastes like chicken?
Chicken.
Lorraine, she's it's kind of in her feelings because of my look. You know, normally she's all, she's like the life of the party. Now she's all down in the dumps. Because of my look? Girl, girl, why are you hating on your mother? She looks cute, whatever she puts on. Tell her. Tell her. She's cute, whatever she put on.
Just take a bite.
I can't bring myself to eat it because I saw how it looked. I saw how it looked. It was slimy. It had these suction cups. It was just like the legs are all over the place. Oh. Thank you. Woo! There you go. There you go. There you go.
Give it back to mama.
I don't want it. I don't want it.
Bite.
I don't want it. I don't
Stop
want
being
it.
lame.
I don't. Peer pressure at its finest. Peer pressure at its finest. Don't be lame, Jimmy. Just eat it. Don't be lame, Jimmy. Just do it. Don't be lame, Jimmy. Just drink it. And Jimmy's like, okay. Look. Alright, y'all. So y'all see someone's missing there because she was just doing too much. Way too much. She's over here in the cut looking at me. She's over here in the cut. Give me the side eye. Yeah. Mm-hmm. All right, I'll try it. God.
Let's take the big piece, actually.
Why you gotta take the back?
That piece has the less skin on it.
I want to take the small piece.
But that piece has less
I want to
skin
take
on
the small piece. Okay, now she's telling me to eat the big piece. Listen, she broke me down. She broke Jimmy down. Okay, Jimmy said, okay. I'll take a nibble off this small piece. No, this is not good enough for her. She wants to take the big piece.
The big piece has less skin on it. Just take a little nibble.
I'm scared.
No, not like that.
You can't tell me how big of a bite to get.
You have to eat it.
I am gonna eat it.
Let me see. I'm trying not to show me.
Why you gotta look at me?
Now eat the thing.
Yeah, this is like, I don't know what to call this. This is something.
That took me 22 hours to cook.
But I didn't say I wanted this. You chose to get this. I never said once to go to the store and buy a whole octopus. I never said that. And now she want to walk out in the video because I don't want to eat it.
I went for squid, came back with the whole octopus.
She went down there for one squid, okay? The squid tentacle, not even a whole squid. The squid tentacle she went down there for, and she came back with a whole octopus this big. And they're gonna expect me to eat something that I didn't tell her to go down there to get. She's bike, y'all. She's bike. She creeped her way back in the video. She creeped her way back in. Yo, she was really in her feelings about my makeup. You know this? It kind of smells like barbecue chicken or something.
Yeah.
No.
Eat it.
It
No.
tastes like good.
Eat it. I ate all my octopus. It didn't really taste like nothing. It's eat. You did a good move.
I can't get past the visualization in my head. I can't do it. If I didn't see how it looked prior to it being cooked, I'll probably be able to eat it. But I can't do it. I'm sorry if you like octopus. I'm so sorry.
Same thing like the squid.
But I just can't do it. I just can't do it. Oh wait, my eyelash is coming off. Yo, we about to end this video so I can take these lashes off and these fingernails off and my hair and my makeup because someone does not like my makeup. Give me a kiss, baby. Give me a kiss. Hold on. Before you give me a kiss, hold on. Where's everybody going? Yo. Till next time.